Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to send a video to a WhatsApp group using the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you've recently updated WhatsApp on your computer, this new process is smoother and quicker than before. So let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and connected to your account. Once it's open, you'll see your list of recent chats on the left-hand side of the screen. Next, find the group you want to send the video to. You can scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to type the group's name. When you find it, click to open the group chat window. Now, look at the bottom of the chat box. You'll see a small plus sign icon next to where you type your messages. Click on that plus icon. A small menu will pop up with several options such as documents, camera, and photos and videos. From the menu, choose photos and videos. This will open a file explorer window on your computer, allowing you to browse for this video you want to share. Navigate to the folder where your video is saved, click on the video file once to select it, and then click the open button. The video will instantly load into your WhatsApp chat window, showing a small preview before sending. Take a quick moment to double check that you selected the right file. You can also add a caption or short message above the video if you'd like. When you're ready, hit the send button. WhatsApp will upload and send your video directly to the group. The time it takes to send depends on your internet connection and the size of the video file. And that's it. You've successfully sent a video to your WhatsApp group from your PC using the latest update. It's fast, simple, and perfect for sharing memorable moments or important clips with your friends, family, or coworkers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials to make the most of your favorite apps.